Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Shopee. So let me take you to their website, which is shopee.com. Once you're here on the website, you want to know a bit about them if you're not aware of them. So Shopee is an e-commerce platform and online marketplace that operates in several countries, primarily in Southeast Asia. They provide a platform for individuals and businesses to buy and sell a wide range of products online. So they're pretty famous. People love doing shopping from them, especially from Southeast Asia. So let's say if you want to promote them, you could from their website, which is shopee.com. You can just go through to the website based on the country. For say, if you're part of any of these country, you can just click on the icon and you'll be taken to that version of the website. But let's say if you're from outside of these countries, but you have traffic from, let's say, from Taiwan or from Vietnam, then you can select the country accordingly, and then you will be taken that version of the website. So in my case, I'm just going to go with Malaysia, which should then take me to this website, which is shopee.com.my, and I can see all the products that are available here. I could buy something here, or I could just refer any of these products to my followers, to my subscribers. If they love it, they like it, they buy it. So but we are not here to buy products from Shopee, but rather we are here to get commission from them. Is it possible? Yes, it is. And that is possible by joining the affiliate program of Shopee. So for that, you can scroll down to the very bottom of the page. First, you have to go to shopee.com, just select the country version. And then from the main page, you can come to the footer section and you can click on Shopee Ambassador Program. So Shopee Ambassador Program, you may call it Shopee Affiliate program. So it's one and the same thing. When you click here, it should take you to this section. Over here, you can say this option, welcome to Shopee Affiliates. And if you want to directly just start with the registration, you can click on join now and you would be able to start with the registration. But let's talk a bit about this call affiliate program and seller affiliate program. Let's say if you are a seller on Shopee, and in that case, you can join their seller affiliate program and you can earn up to 15% cash incentive for successful refer. But if you're not a seller, and that's what we will be talking about, let's say if you're an affiliate, you could earn anywhere between 4% to 10% on products selling. So if you promote these products to your consumers, your end users, subscribers, or followers, if they make the purchase, you may end up getting somewhere between 4 to 10%. And that's not all. There is even a possibility to earn up to 50% commission rate that we will talk about. So let's say you want to learn a bit about affiliate program. In that case, the affiliate program of Shopee. In that case, you can click on learn more, which should take you to this section. In here, you will see all about the affiliate program, especially the prerequisite. Scroll down. Here it says prerequisite for an affiliate account. So you should have a personal owned account. It should be an active account with whom? With Shopee. You should have a public or non-private social web page. Then the content on the web page should be original and genuine. And then you should be open to individuals residing in Malaysia. Since I selected Malaysia from here, that's why it's saying Malaysia for me. In your case, whatever country you would select. So this would be the requirement it will show in here. Must be at least 18 years of age or older. So this is the prerequisite. And then I can read more stuff as well. And from here, there are two things that I want to click on so that I can give more information. So first one would be this additional commission up to 50%. So I can click here. And then if I scroll down, I see something FAQ and guidelines. So I click here. Now it will take me, the first click that I made, that took me to commission extra page, where they're trying to say that if you promote some selected products, they got a list of extra commission products. If you promote those products, you could earn up to 50% commission. And that's so amazing. Just think about it. Instead of earning 4 or 10%, you're directly earning 50% commission. And so that's very amazing. And then the second click that I made was for the FAQ and guidelines. So on that page, you can read about all the general questions that you have, like such as how does Shopee ambassador program or affiliate program works? What's the qualification? How do I get started? What are the commission rate? And all these like general questions that you may get, you may just read it and you may understand it. And don't worry about it. I'm going to mention the direct link of Shopee in the video description. You can come to the website. You can just go through the same route and you would be able to see this FAQ. And the most important thing is there's penalties for violation of terms and conditions. So avoid doing these things, avoiding these sort of violations, because come on, like, why you want to get a warning later first, warning email first, and then your account could get frozen. So just read through it and see what you are not supposed to do, so avoid doing that too. Now let's move further, and let's say, okay, you read it all. Now you want to start with creating an account with Shopee, the affiliate program account. So how can you do that? For that, you can click on join now. It's the same page where when we clicked on Shopee ambassador program, we landed to this page. So we can click on join now in here. In your case, you can do that. When you do that, it will take you to the next page. It will probably ask you to log in if you already have an account with Shopee. If you do, you can log in and you'll see an option for affiliate program there. But if you don't, you can click on sign up. And then it will ask you to either enter the phone number, or you can click on Google or Facebook. So I just clicked on Google. Okay, so after I clicked on Google, it asked me for my Google account details. I entered it. In your case as well, you could enter it. If you clicked on Google, you can enter the Google account information such as email address and password. If you clicked on Facebook, you can do the same. Then it would take you to this registration page. Over here, you can enter all the information as you can read in here. So please complete the registration form below and make sure all informations are correct for the review. It's important that all the information you're providing here is accurate to the best of your knowledge. In this video, since I'm creating it for the educational purpose, I'm just going to use some examples in your case and share all these informations are accurate. All right, so first thing, account type. Are you representing an enterprise or an individual? So in my case, I'm an individual, so I can select individual, and then I can go with the first name and last name. You can also do that. Then you can decide salutation. You can choose a date of birth of yours. So I'm just gonna quickly select more relevant to me. Okay, perfect. Then country and region. So you can select, since I'm from India, so I'll just go with the India. And then you can mention your city in here and the address. Again, the information that I'm filling in here, that's just for the education purpose. It's not accurate, it's just an example. Okay, and then the zip code. And then you have to give the phone number as well. Just enter the phone number too. In your case, you can enter your phone number and the email address. So when you clicked on sign up and you selected your Gmail account or any other email account for say, you will see that email address in here. You have to click on send verification code. When you do that, it will send the verification code to your Gmail account or whatever email account that you have given here. So let me go to the Gmail account to see that code. Okay, so this is my Gmail account and I got the email from Shopee affiliate Malaysia. And as you can see, so similar to that, you will receive an email. You can open the email, you'll see your code in there. So I just copied my code and I'm going to go to the registration form again. In your case, you can also do that. You can enter the code in here and then you can click on next. Once you're done with the account information, it will ask you to enter the media information. So it will ask you to at least select one of these. So this is Instagram, Facebook, then Twitter here, YouTube. And if you just got a URL, you can click here and enter the URL of your website or blog. Let's say you don't have a social media account, but still, even if you have a website or blog, you should still have a social media account, isn't it? So whatever is suited for you, whatever your media platforms are, you can just select these icons one by one and integrate it. In my case, I'm just going to go with the website, a test website that I got. I can click here, I can enter it, and then I can click on confirm. So it got added in here. So let's say if you got multiple social media accounts, you can just select these icons multiple times and add the details accordingly. And then you have to choose the category niche as well. So in here you can select, and let's say your media is all about travel and luggage. You can select that. You can even select multiple as well. Then partner type, you can select here, and let's say your partners are more like you're kind of blogger in social media, so you can select that. Whatever suits you or your business model, you can decide it accordingly from here and do the selection. Okay, then how did you get to know the Shopee affiliate program. So in here, let's say you heard about them from media ads, or let's say from social media influencers. Since you're listening to this or watching this video, that means you can select this one, social media influencer, without referral code. And then in case if you got referral code from somewhere, you can always mention referral code in here. Otherwise, you can just keep it blank. And then you can read this. I hereby declare that the information provided is true and correct, and you can just tick mark it. And then you can select, click on this terms of service and privacy policy. You can read through it entirely, and then you can tick mark this, and then you can click on submit. When you do that, this is the message you will get. Here, they're trying to say your registration has been received and will be reviewed by Shopee team. This process usually takes a few days. Rest assured that we will get back to you within 5 business days, and notification will be sent to your email. This is the email address that I have given. In your case, whatever email address that you have given, you have to give them at least 5 days. And once you, like after 5 days, you'll hear from them. Let's say, in 5 days you hear from them and you got the approval as well. Or if you have any question in between, you can always reach out to them at this email address. But let's say you got the approval from them, then how can you promote them? So I'll take you to this page in here. Again, it's a commission extra page. They have given a very definitive steps in here. You can explore. You can go to the affiliate program section. You can go to commission extra, or just go to any product. You would see an option to get tracking link, and you can just promote tracking links like this. So it's pretty simple, just take the tracking links and ensure when you're part of the affiliate program of Shopee, you are to promote them using tracking links. And when you will be promoting them using tracking links, any commission, any sales that will be happening, the commission will be generated and that will be accumulated in your affiliate account with Shopee. So let's say you started generating commission, then how will you get that commission from Shopee? So Shopee does monthly payment, and your account basically it should accumulate equivalent in local currency of 50. So that means whatever commission you're generating in your affiliate account with Shopee, it should exceed 50 currency unit. Once it has exceeded 50 currency unit, Shopee will issue the payment to you via bank account. So ensure you add your banking information as well. That's the payment method available with Shopee affiliate program. So any commission you generate in your affiliate account with Shopee, you can expect the payment from them in your banking account. So I hope the video was helpful to you. Ensure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.